Transform everyday kitchen moments into enjoyable experiences with the best Prasky 2400 watts heating blender. Designed for families who love fresh and convenient meals, this powerful kitchen companion helps create delicious possibilities with ease. Whether preparing comforting recipes or healthy creations, it brings simplicity and satisfaction to your routine while making every homemade dish feel more special. Number 1. Prasky 2400 watts heating blender, 25,000 RPM heavy. Powerful 2400 watts high speed performance. The Prasky 2400 watts heating blender delivers exceptional power for fast blending, reaching up to 25,000 RPM for smooth, consistent results on smoothies, soups, and more. Professional grade 55 ounces glass jar included. Comes with the durable 55 ounces glass jar that ensures safe, non-toxic blending and excellent visibility during use. Ideal for both home and professional kitchens. Convenient to-go cup for on-the-go use. Includes a travel-friendly to-go cup for easy portability. Perfect for taking your smoothies or soups straight from the blender to your next destination. Auto clean function for effortless maintenance. Features an auto clean function that simplifies post-use cleaning. Just add water and a drop of soap, then blend to keep your blender fresh and ready. Designed for heavy-duty performance. Built with heavy-duty construction and a 120 volts voltage system, this blender handles tough ingredients with ease, making it ideal for daily high-demand use. Number 2. BPA-free 3 horsepower 2200 watts heavy-duty grade blender. Powerful 3 horsepower 2200 watts motor for heavy-duty performance. Equipped with a 3 horsepower 2200 watts high-power motor, this blender delivers exceptional blending power for tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and nuts with ease. 30,000 RPM ultra high speed rotation. Featuring a rotation rate of 30,000 RPM, this blender ensures fast and smooth blending, reducing processing time while maintaining consistent results. 6-piece high performance blade system. The 6-blade design enhances mixing efficiency, breaking down ingredients thoroughly and achieving silky smooth textures in seconds. BPA-free and safer plastic construction. Made with BPA-free plastic materials for the container, chopper, and housing, this blender ensures safe, healthy food preparation without harmful chemicals. Stepless speed control. For custom blending with stepless speed adjustment, users can precisely control blending intensity to suit any recipe, from smoothies to thick doughs. Number 3. New portable blender 600 ml electric juicer. Upgraded unique 6-blade design. Our blender is equipped with 6 sharp 304 stainless steel blades, which can easily crush ice, frozen fruits and not easy to get stuck than other blenders. 20,000 revolutions per minute makes the blades rotate quickly to make more delicate shakes and smoothies. Blending mode and pulse mode. One-touch operation makes this travel-sized smoothie blender quick and easy to use. Just click the power button to start and double-click to switch between pulse modes. Milkshakes, smoothies, purees, flavored sauces or baby food are available. Portable and perfect capacity. With a large capacity of 20 ounces, 600 milliliters, this juice mixer has enough space to put fruits, vegetables and ice cubes in it. Screw the extra cup lid. A perfect personal size blender to take with you on trips, sports and barbecues. Type-C and ready to use. The juicer has a built-in 2x 2000 mAh 7.4 volts battery, which has a better range than ordinary portable juicers. Type-C charging port, which can be charged at any time via laptop, desktop, power bank or car charging port. Suitable for kitchen, travel, sports, picnic, etc. Health material and safety protection. Integrated base, precision structure. Has a stronger waterproof performance. Do not have to worry about the short circuit caused by water ingress. The handheld blender cup body is made of food grade as material, high quality can be trusted. Number 4. Biola Mix 3 horsepower 2200 watts heavy duty grade timer blender. Powerful 3 horsepower 2200 watts motor for heavy duty performance equipped with a 2200 watts motor and 45,000 RPM. The Biola Mix T5200 delivers exceptional blending power for ice, fruits, and tough ingredients with ease. Large 2-liter Straton container with BPA-free safety. The 2-liter Straton jar is durable, shatterproof, and BPA-free, ensuring safe, long-lasting use for smoothies, juices, and food processing. Stepless speed control for customized blending featuring stepless adjustment. This blender allows precise speed control to match any recipe, from smooth purees to chunky mixes. 6 sharp stainless steel blades for efficient processing with 6 high-performance blades. The Biola Mix T5200 ensures even blending and rapid processing of ice, nuts, and frozen fruits. Multifunction design with extra accessories comes with extra 500 ml dry jar, 3-part chopper, and extra jar, making it ideal for both wet and dry food prep tasks. Number 5. Juicer Cup Plus Portable Outdoor Blender. Fresh drinks and healthy choices become easier to enjoy when you have a reliable companion for your daily routine. This portable blender juice mixer brings a refreshing way to prepare favorite beverages wherever life takes you. From busy mornings at home to relaxing outdoor moments, it helps create enjoyable experiences filled with taste and convenience. Modern lifestyles often require simple solutions that fit into changing schedules. This fruit blender supports people who love homemade drinks without making preparation feel complicated. Its practical design makes it suitable for different situations, allowing families, travelers, and office users to enjoy fresh flavors whenever they desire. The joy of creating personalized beverages adds a special touch to everyday life. Whether sharing a drink with loved ones or preparing something refreshing after a busy day, this beverage maker helps turn ordinary moments into satisfying memories. Easy maintenance also makes daily use more pleasant and stress-free. A thoughtful choice for those who value health, convenience, and flexibility. This portable blender is a meaningful gift for many occasions. It brings freshness, creativity, and comfort together while matching the needs of people who enjoy an active lifestyle.